In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning clone video effect using CapCut. This is a fun and engaging visual trick that allows you to appear multiple times in the same frame, and it's easier than you might think. So let's dive in. First, you need to record yourself in the same frame multiple times. Make sure to leave pauses between your actions. This preparation is crucial because each take will eventually be combined to create that seamless multitasking effect we're aiming for. You can use the pauses to reposition yourself and think about what each version of you will be doing. It helps to plan your movements and interactions beforehand, so take a moment to consider how you'll fill each role. Once your recording is done, it's time to bring that clip into CapCut. Import your video clip into the timeline and then duplicate it. Duplicating ensures that you have multiple copies of the same footage to work with, each showing a different version of yourself. This is where the magic begins, as each duplicate will later focus on one particular interaction or position of you on camera. The next step is to use the crop tool or the mask tool. These features help you isolate each you within the entire frame in different clips. Precisely crop around each version of yourself so that none of your actions overlap with another. If you're not familiar with these tools, don't worry. Practice makes perfect, and you can undo and redo as you refine it. The goal is to ensure clarity for each persona you portrayed during your video shoot. Now, with each version of yourself nicely cropped, it's time to align these clips on different layers in the timeline. This alignment allows all versions of you to appear together seamlessly on the same screen. Think of it as stacking layers of cut-out shapes on top of each other. You'll place them in a way that when you hit play, all your actions and interactions appear as if happening at the same time, a key feature for creating this eye-catching clone effect. Finally, blend the edges of each clip for a smooth finish. Sometimes when you layer videos, the edges might look harsh or interrupt the flow of the video. Blending those edges helps to soften transitions and adds a professional touch to your project, ensuring the final product feels cohesive and fluid. This might require some fine-tuning, but the result is well worth the effort. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've created a clone video effect that's perfect for wowing your audience. Whether it's for a social media post or just a fun project, this technique opens up a world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy crafting your own amazing clone videos with CapCut.